Sige. Isang game lang direct. Try lang natin to. Tambakan naman to eh. Ka-delta! Kabalin kasi. Pwede na. Huwag lang i-on cam. Makikitang gums lang. This is your 2024 Delta Cup, the Inter-Municipalities and Cities basketball tournament here in Pampanga. We are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga for game number 3 of this Friday quadruple headers. We can see itong si Valoria para dito sa Angeles City Red Warriors looking to win and defeat itong almighty Ing Bayong Mexico, who has been so dominant in their tournament run. Dito, they are led by Gerald Nakpil in their last game. And ito, ang ating laban dito, ang undefeated Angeles City Red Warriors versus Ing Bayong Mexico. Ako po ang inyong makakasama for this third game, si Enzo Galarosa. And of course, tingnan, pwede nyo pong tutukan ang ating laro sa aming Facebook page at Pampanga PIO on Facebook as we are live there. And also, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Pampanga_PIO. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And syempre po, we are also simultaneously being broadcasted live on Sinag Liga TV, Sinag Liga Asia's YouTube channel. Kaya subscribe na po kayo sa dalawang channels na yan. And of course, like us on Facebook and comment down below sinong team po ba ang inyong sinusuportahan. As we can see, etong team standings natin, both of these teams are actually at number 1 and number 2. Talking about Ing Bayong Mexico, number 1 seed for Bracket A, and itong Angeles City Red Warriors are at the number 2 seed. Still unscathed ang kanilang record at 4-0. Malalaman natin sinong team ba ang magkakaroon ng talo dito. Will it be the undefeated Angeles City Red Warriors or will Ing Bayong Mexico finally lose because they're starting to look a little bit invincible in their recent runs dito, especially against Bayong Porac in their last game noong Wednesday. Kaya I'm pretty sure kayong mga kabalin na nanonood live ngayon sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page, excited na kasi coming up, it's the battle between Angeles City Red Warriors and the 5-1 Ing Bayong Mexico. And to introduce the starters of both teams, let's turn it over to Ryan Anthony.
Kabalan fans, live from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the third game of our quadruple header elimination round of your 2023-24 Delta Cup Inter-Cities Municipalities Basketball Tournament powered by Sinag Liga Asia. We're live on Facebook, facebook.com/PampangaPIO, and on YouTube at Sinag Liga TV. This is a much-awaited ball game featuring the undefeated Angeles City Red Warriors versus Ing Bayong Mexico. And now let's meet the starters for the Angeles City Red Warriors. At forward, number 1, Jomari Naku. The other forward, number 19, JL De Guzman. Center number 18, Genesis Center number 28, Paul Lagman. Point guard number 18, Genesis Henson. And shooting guard number 21, John Martinez. Head coach for the Angeles City Red Warriors is John Ocampo. Assisted by Javier Cruz, Eric Malyari, Carl Morales, and team manager Val Peña. And now the starters for Ingbayong, Mexico. Forward number 10, Ezequiel Perez. Yellow forward number 25, John Baluyot. Center number 8, Nomer Pascual. At guard number 11, John Del Cunanan. The other guard number 24, Eden Llantos. Head coach for Mexico is J.R. Gomez, assisted by Alex Baluyot. Your referee in charge in this third game are Birds Isuga, Dennis Escaros, and Willie Hibe.
And here are your starters of the game for Ingbayong, Mexico. They're starting with Ezequiel Perez, Nomer Pascual, John Del Cunanan, Reden Llantos, and John Renzo Baluyot. Para naman dito sa Angeles City Red Warriors, they started with Jensen Henson, John Martinez, Joe Marinaco, Paul Lagman, and JL De Guzman. As the two top teams of Bracket A are going to face off. Can Ingbayong, Mexico continue their dominant run dito, or will Angeles City stay immaculate dito sa ating tournament? As first possession goes to Ingbayong, Mexico, who are coming off a victory, a dominant victory against Bayong Porac last Wednesday. Agad-agad, a three-pointer is knocked down para dito kay Jensen, or correction, that's from Ingbayong, Mexico. Itong si John Renzo Baluyot. Three-pointer is good para dito sa Angeles City. A three-pointer for John Martinez. Look at the pressure being applied here by Angeles City, as of course this team is known for producing two representatives of Pampanga, Paula Quindanum and Kid Estalili, who unfortunately both I'm not seeing on the bench. So no Kid Estalilia, no Paula Quindanum for them today, but nonetheless they will try to stay immaculate dito sa ating tournament. As a good jumper right there by Joe Marinaco. 5-3 in favor of Angeles City. Llantos played really well in the last game of Ingbayong, Mexico, as Pascual gets the layup. Good pass galing dito kay Llantos. All 5 is our score. Again, two top teams battling it out. So the winner will get the number 1 seed all along. Oh, good move right there by John Martinez. Tipsy-do layup right there for Martinez. Look at that half-court trap galing dito sa Angeles City. Nakpil goes over to Baluyot. Cunanan kicks it back. Baluyot, three-pointer. Can't cash in his second three of the game. Henson gives it to Naku. Naku behind the back, stolen away by Cunanan. And Llantos, offensive foul whistled dito kay Llantos. That's Reden's first personal foul. And a turnover para dito sa Ingbayong, Mexico. But let's see that one more time clearly with a shove there of the forearm by Llantos. De Guzman, they swing it over. De Guzman relocates, fires. Hit nothing but air that time. Babalik ang bola dito sa panig ng Ingbayong, Mexico. You can see the head coach of Angeles City, itong si Coach John Ocampo. Of course, Coach J.R. Gomez, the head coach of Ingbayong, Mexico. Llantos, flying in mid-air. Reden going up high, and we saw him go to the air a lot of times last game against Bayong Porac. It's a long three-pointer, but De Guzman with an offensive rebound. Cunanan with a steal. Llantos in the open floor. Llantos blocked right there, but he gets it back to put it back up and in. 4 quick points now for Reden Llantos. 7 minutes and 7 seconds remaining in this first period. Martinez, up fake. Martinez puts it up and in underneath. Cunanan. They give it over. Baluyot hit one from there. Still out of sync, 1 out of 3. Llantos. Nabitawan lang yung bola. De Guzman's floater, no-go. Martinez crashing the board. Pero nakuha pa rin ni John Del Cunanan. We can see these two teams are evenly matched. That's why they're on the top of the team standings. Let's look at this beautiful up fake. Galing dito kay John Martinez, and he puts it up and in on the baseline. A tough angle, but still able to finish it. See number 21, John Martinez for Angeles City Red Warriors. Pascual drops it off. Nakpil, the reverse layup is good. Big-to-big connection for Pascual and Nakpil. Gerald Nakpil, another basket for him in this ball game. Henson gives it to De Guzman. Back to Henson. Martinez, they go to the corner. De Guzman down low at the post. Oh! A clear push from behind from Pascual. Naku went straight to the body of his teammate because of the push to Pascual. Let's look at that right there. Lagman got fouled by his own teammate dahil tinulak siya ni Pascual from behind. Lagman will troop to the line. Janjan Ocampo not happy with the foul. Of course, nonetheless, free throw dito si Paul Lagman, who misses the first one. Again, itong Angeles City Red Warriors playing without Paul Lakindanum and Kid Estalilia in this first quarter. They are in the official lineup, so if hahabol yung dalawang players na yun, they can play. But as of right now, they're not on the bench. 1 out of 2 from the free throw line, ito si Lagman. Court trap dito kay Dunca. There's an offensive foul whistled on John Del Cunanan, so that's another turnover for Ingbayong Mexico. Again, sa mga nanonood po sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page, aming FB Live doon of this game, comment po kayo, sinong team po ba ang inyong sinusuportahan at sino po ba ang player na inyong iniidolo? Mali nyo, mabasa ko po mamaya yan. At eto Llantos on the run, he spins, he puts it up and in, plus a foul. Another transition basket para dito kay Reden Llantos. Dagdagan mo pa ng isang bonus free throw pa dito. Let's look at that. The bump, the spin, and the composer galing dito kay Reden Llantos. Now 6 points into his tally. J.R. Gomez loved that shot galing dito kay Reden Llantos.
Bonus free throw, Reden Llantos.
Llantos, bonus free throw. This is that time, but there's a late violation, so there's a substitute free throw para dito kay Llantos. Oh, Llantos still misses the bonus free throw, the substitute bonus free throw, should I say. What will the Red Warriors answer? Well, they lob it up. Sayang na, hindi ma-finish ni Martinez, but he gets it back in his foul. Nakpil ang napituhan ng foul that time. Gerald Nakpil. That's his second personal foul. So Nakpil will sit down. Papalitan siya dito. Di Cunanan ulit. So this time, instead of Cunanan playing the guard position, he now played the forward position. Versatility from this kid, John Del Boy Cunanan. Martinez, second free throw. In and out din, but look at Lagman with a rebound. From behind, Santos taps it away, but bola pa rin daw dito ng Angeles City. Baseline inbound for the men in white. And they throw it away. Santos with a steal. Santos. Oh, good deflection right there. And ito tumatakbo na ang Angeles City Red Warriors, and Lagman with an easy basket. And another steal right here. Baloria on the other end. And that forces eto si Coach J.R. Gomez to suit for time dahil A 4-0 counter run galing dito sa Angeles City at lamang na itong Angeles City Red Warriors. 14-13, 4 minutes and 57 seconds natitira. Let's look at this again. There's the steal galing dito kay Edward Timbol and the pass to Lagman for the easy layup. And then on the other end, Baloria with the steal and the easy pickpocket layup right there para dito kay Baloria. That's why lamang na ng dalawa ang Angeles City 14-13. Paul Lagman doing it on both ends para dito sa Angeles City Red Warriors. And I would say in the late absence dito ni Pau Laquindano because I can see Pau already at the bench being stretched out. But one of the things para dito sa Angeles City still not here is Kid Estalilia. Of course, the Luid 1 Kapampangan Cager who represented them in Sinag Liga Asia born 2001 as Santos tried to go eye in the sky. Baloria on the run. Baloria, another fast break layup. The run continues para sa Angeles City. 6-0 run for them. Dunka give it to Llantos. Llantos attacks. No good yung kanyang layup. Tapikan ng bola. Ball's in the air. Paul Lagman with a big rebound. Naku. He'll attack the gap. Naku puts it up. No good. And look at that rebound by Martinez. Unfortunately, Timbol stepped out of bounds, so Edward will get a turnover. A steal again for Lagman. Naku. Naku spins, Naku fires, no go. Llantos with another board. Santos gives it to Perez. Perez gets bumped by Lagman. That'll be a foul. Hard foul binigay dun ni Paul Lagman. He'll shoot back to the bench. Papalitan muna siya dito. Number 10, Kennedy Pineda. As Perez knocks down the first free throw. Two out of two para dito kay Perez. One-point game, 16-15. So what will the Red Warriors do? Oh, good drop-off pass galing dito kay Peña. As John Martinez with another basket right there. He's been feasting on the scoreboard as Peña playing good defense. So some quality minutes galing dito kay Eugene Peña. May two-man substitution para dito sa Ingbayong, Mexico. Uupo muna itong si Dunka. Or sorry, not Dunka. It's Llantos ang uupo. And Pascual. Baloria calling the play. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Edward from the outside. In and out. Nga lang for Timbol. There's a whistle. I believe a pushing foul will be called here on Lagman. Third personal foul on Paul Lagman, and that forces Coach Janjan Ocampo to tap. Ito na. The Letran Knight himself, Pau Laquindano, is on the floor. And look at that, a steal by Pau. Baloria will be fouled there. Baloria will troop to the line for two free throws.
Pushing foul on number 10, Ezequiel Perez.
Ezequiel Perez ang napituhan doon. So Jacob Baloria with two free throws right here.
Jacob Baloria.
Baloria knocks down the first free throw. Jacob goes 2 for 2. The Red Warriors are now up by 5 points, 20-15. Santos gives it to Rivadulla. They kick it to Dunca. 3-pointer. No go, and fighting for the rebound. Perez touched it last. Here comes Angeles City. Jacob try to give it down low to Pau. Ball was tapped. Ball will remain either side ng Angeles City Red Warriors. Ball to inbound. They go down low to Peña. Peña gets stripped. Happy watching sa 918 viewers natin sa Facebook page. A lot of people expecting some fireworks dito sa game natin as, oh! Rivadulla meeting itong si Lakindanum up top. Let's see this one more time. Lakindanum and Rivadulla, an aerial battle, an aerial collision right there. As, oh, ang daming nanonood, kagaya ni Miss Catherine Rosilio. Tinicheer niya ang Mexico as another player from Luwid 1 siguro. Tinitingnan niya yung mga teammates niya. Jernel Yamson also watching. Idol Jernel, happy watching. Again, hello to the 926 Facebook viewers right now sa Pampanga PIO FB page. Lakindanum. I'd say 926 kanina. Ngayon, 949 na. Pataas ng pataas. In first quarter pa lang to. Of course, these two teams are the number 1 and number 2 teams of Bracket A. But let's look at that. Oh. Pau got tripped there. So, Lakindanum will shoot to the free throw line. Of course, Pau Lakindanum part of the, as of now, Team B ng Colegio de San Juan de Letran. Soon, he'll be called up to play for the Team A. He misses both free throws that time. Perez. No go yung kanyang floater. Bola pa rin dito ng Angeles City. 2 minutes remaining in this first period. Team ball goes to Lakindanum. Back to Baloria. De Guzman kicks to Jacob. Oh, 3-second violation whistled here on Lakindanum. Coach Janjan Ocampo telling his players na itira na dahil they passed up a lot of open looks that time. Santos gives it to Rivadulla. Rivadulla from the outside. Ayaw pa rin para dito sa Igbayong Mexico. Santos from way downtown. Off the mark. Santos will try again from a different spot. Short naman this time. Pau with a spin. The toss-up, and Jacob is all alone. Touchdown, Angeles City. Rivadulla goes underneath. Oh, what a block there by Lakindanum. Pau turns it over. Santos on a 3-on-3. Oh, good pass. What a pass right there. Baliescas with a beautiful pass to Dunca. Jacob. And De Guzman hits it off his foot at babalik na ang bola dito sa Igbayong Mexico. Perez. He'll attack. One-handed floater, no good. They're trying to keep it alive, but Lakindanum just cradles that ball from the ground, and it calls for a jump ball. Ball possession arrow points the way of Angeles City. And Coach John Ocampo will suit for time. They will make sure that they get a quality look in the final 25 seconds of this first quarter as his team, the Angeles City Red Warriors, are up by 3 points, 22-19. Makikita natin ang ating mga fans dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Of course, sinusuportahan ng mga kanika nilang mga kupunan dito. Of course, we are seeing the supporters of Ingbayong, Mexico. And ito rin kanina nakita natin ang mga fans dito na nag-antay pa. Simula alauna, estudyante nag-aantay pa dito. Kuya, medyo excited ha. Of course, also din, mga nanonood sa ating FB Live, ang mga 900 plus viewers, marami na. And we're just in the first quarter of this ball game. So, final 25 seconds of the first quarter, a 1 second difference shot clock. Game clock, no. We turned off the shot clock now. Valoria going ISO, gives it to Timbol. They swing it to the corner. Oh, good defense right there by Perez. 4 seconds. And a counter steal by Naku. 1 second to go. Timbol, hindi na aabot ang kanyang layup. At dyan magtatapos ang ating first quarter of action. Itong Angeles City Red Warriors, they're up by a single possession. Only 3 points separate these two teams right here. Let's see this first quarter highlights natin. We started with Baluyot scoring that 3-pointer. Then the counter right there galing dito kay De Guzman. Then it was a scoring brigade from Ingbayong, Mexico at the start via Nakpil and itong si Liantos. But then Valoria and Lagman started to click defensively. They got a lot of transition baskets dito. Takbuhan na naging tema ng ating first quarter. Just like that, easy layup para kay Jacob Valoria. Kaya nga lamang sila ng tatlo dito. 22-19 after the end of the first 10 minutes of action dito lang sa 2024 Delta Cup. Nakikita natin ang ating mga fans dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Medyo dumadami na, napupuno na ata tayo. Of course, this is the battle of the number 1 and number 2 seeded teams sa bracket A. One team is undefeated, talking about itong Angeles City Red Warriors. Samantalang itong Ingbayong, Mexico have one loss, but recently they have been on a tear. A lot of blowout games on the part, blowout wins, should I say, para sa Ingbayong, Mexico. Perez, they get first crack at the basketball. Talking about Ingbayong, Mexico as Cunanan from the outside. Oh, gets the basket to drop a la Michael Taniegra. And he ties the game at 22, should I say, with that 3-pointer. Guevara, nakakapasok lang sa ating laro. They swing it over to Jacob. Valoria attacks. Valoria gets denied right there by Vallescas.
7 seconds shot clock.
What a block there by Luis Miguel Vallescas. Baseline inbound for Angeles City. They go over to Lakindanum. Martinez goes to Valoria. Good fake by Jacob. Valoria, the jumper, hits the side of the backboard, and that'll be a 24-second shot clock violation for Angeles City. A good substitution for Angeles City. Pasok itong si VJ Rojas. And look at that immediate half-court trap right here from Angeles City. And Baliescas turns it over, so the trap works for Angeles City right there. Something that Igbayong Mexico was not prepared for in that possession. Rojas goes to Martinez. Back to Rojas. BJ kicks it to Guevara. Oh, good defense by Cunanan. They get another steal. Perez misses the gimme layup, but Meneses gets the layup to drop over Paula Quintanum. Meneses with his first basket of the ball game. Naku gives it to Martinez, swings it to Guevara. Guevara, the floater from the baseline, short, and Cunanan with another rebound. John Del almost doing everything on the floor para dito sa Igbayong Mexico. What a pass there by Meneses papunta kay Lakap. And lamang na ulit dito ang Mexico ng 4 na puntos, 26-22. What a seesaw battle we have right here at the start. Rojas tried to go sidestep. Nakindanum kicks it. Martinez, three-pointer. Too strong. Naku gets away. And that's a traveling violation whistle dito on Jomari Naku. Lakap, up fake. Kicks it to Perez. They'll reset. Cunanan from way downtown. This time it goes wide. 7 minutes ang natitira sa ating laro. Guevara. Hands it over to Martinez. Back to Guevara. Naku with a drive, and he gets fouled, and he'll shoot 2 free throws right now. Dumadami na. Almost 1K viewers na tayo sa Facebook. So happy watching po dyan sa mga 1K viewers natin sa Facebook. Of course, this is the battle of number 1, number 2. Everyone wants to watch this matchup. It'll just get more intense down the line. Happy watching po kay Reg Punsalan. Nice one, Mexico daw. So, mga taga-Mexico, fans ng Igbayong Mexico. Yan. Sa mga nanonood po, comment lang po kayo kung sinong team po ba ang inyong sinusuportahan at sinong player ang inyong iniidolo. Substitution right here for Igbayong Mexico. Pasok ito si number 4, Paulo Suba, replacing Ezequiel Perez. De Guzman gives it to Naku. Rojas from way downtown knocks it down right in front of Cunanan. Rojas tying the game at 26 right now. 6 minutes and 48 natitira sa ating first half. Rojas goes to De Guzman. Swing the ball around. Martinez gets fouled. The blocking foul will be whistled here on Meneses.
Blocking foul number 7, Argel Meneses.
Let's see right here yung long three-pointer ni VJ Rojas. Pure perfection right there for Rojas. Lakindanum. Powell attack. Oh, big steps to the basket, but he misses the gimme layup right there. But Rojas gets it right back for the Angeles City. De Guzman. Siya naman na-atake and almost got the basket to go, so pupunta siya. Free throw line for 2.
Second personal, 14 foul Mexico.
That'll be the 14th foul on Igbayong Mexico.
2 free throws, number 19, J.L. De Guzman.
De Guzman with 2 free throws right here. This is the first one. Let's see if he can make the second. Oh, 0 for 2. Para dito kay De Guzman. And look at them fight for the rebound. Subaw gets it away as Liantos is fouled by Martinez. That'll be Angeles City's first team foul of the quarter.
21, John Martinez. First personal, first team foul, Angeles.
6 minutes and 15 natitira sa ating first half as itong igba yung Mexico and Angeles City match na match talaga. We are tied at 26. Suba, the corner jumper, no good. Liantos with an offensive rebound. Liantos loses the basketball. Pau gets the counter steal. Oh, sorry, miss right there for Vallescas. Still no go, and Lakindanum finally clears it for Mexico as, oh, there's one player down on the floor. It's Martinez, and he's holding on to his foot. He is in pain right now. Martinez in pain. It's not a good look if you're Angeles City. Let's look at this replay right here. What happened? Oh! Stepped on the foot of one of the iba yung Mexico players right there. Inadvertently nga naman. As Martinez is still down on the floor, so this is gonna be a big blow for Angeles City. As their top scorer so far in this ball game is out. He's still down. It's Coach John Ocampo looking at him, the head coach right there. Let's take a look at it one more time. Look at his left foot. Oh, accidentally stepped on one of Mexico's players there. Inadvertently, should I say. Inadvertently stepped. Both of them are going for a rebound as Martinez needs to be carried off the floor. So Angeles City needs to give a substitute player right now as Martinez, their top scorer of the first half so far, is down. Lakindanum will go to the free throw line for 2. First free throw for Pau is good. Second free throw for Pau is good. 2 for 2 for Lakindanum, and lamang na ng dalawa dito ang Angeles City. 28 to 26. Cunanan gives it to Meneses. Back to Cunanan. They go to Suba. Back to Argel. Meneses the jumper. No good. De Guzman fighting for the rebound. But Vallescas gets it. And Liantos with another basket. Happy watching po. Watching daw from New York, Cubao, Jenna M. Mendoza. Ano ko ba? Ba't nanonood to? Jenna Mendoza, watching from New York, Cubao. Kung taga nasa New York, Cubao ka, Miss Jenna Mendoza, puntahan po kita. Miss na kita. Cunanan goes to Liantos. Tie game tayo, 28. Argel goes to Suba. Gives it to Vallescas, the jumper. No go pa rin, but Argel with a putback. Lamang na ulit dito ang igba yung Mexico. De Guzman on the attack, the kick. Long three-pointer by Rojas. Backhands that one, but an offensive rebound for Timbol. They kick it out. Naku, up fake. Naku puts it up. No good. Lakindanum flying out of nowhere. Here comes the trap. Vallescas waits for his teammates. John Del goes baseline to Argel. Meneses up fake. Meneses puts it up and in. 3 minutes and 57 in favor of Mexico ang kalamangan dito, 32-30. They go to Naku. Naku spins. Up fake. Try to give it to the cutting de Guzman. Lakindanum in traffic. Stolen away by Suba. And here comes Liantos, and there's a duty foul on Rojas. Wise foul right there because that would have been an easy layup para dito kay Reden Liantos.
We will have a review of the last foul players. Please proceed to the shaded area, the respective benches.
As our referees will check if that's an unsportsmanlike foul, if it will be upgraded. Referees going to the IRS dito. Let's take a look. Rojas, there's the duty foul on Liantos. An unsportsmanlike foul whistled there on VJ Rojas, not going for the basketball.
To stop the progress of the freshman player. First personal foul, VJ Ross. Second team foul,
So this will be 2 free throws plus ball possession. Reden Liantos as Coach John Ocampo asking the referees about the call. He better watch himself. He's at the half court. He might get a tech. He might get a tech. He better watch himself. As Liantos goes 2 for 2 from the free throw line.
Possession for Mexico, 14 seconds shot clock.
14 seconds on the shot clock dito para sa Igbayong Mexico, who are up by 4 points, 34 to 30. As the Red Warriors will suit for time, they are down by 4 points, 34 to 30. 3 minutes and 37 seconds natitira sa ating first half. As we will see some of the fans here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Dumadami na ang ating mga fans dito. Of all ages po ang meron dito. Of course, kahit Friday, meron pa rin mga sumusuporta sa kanilang mga team dito. Of course, add na natin ang 1.1K viewers na nanonood sa Facebook. Dami na nanonood. Ito, sideline inbound para sa Igbayong Mexico. Cunanan gives it to Meneses. Back to Cunanan. They go to Suba. They kick to Argel. 4 seconds to shoot for the men in blue. Step back three-pointer. What a block right there by Naku. And Cunanan with a steal. Cunanan the Euro. Nakatapik yung pasa. And eto, Rojas on the other end. Easy layup yan para dito kay VJ Rojas. Cutting the lead down to 2. Here's that pressure defense coming from Angeles City. And it nearly forced a turnover. As Liantos is fouled and he'll troop to the line for 2. So Liantos will get 2 free throws as he is so far the top scorer for Igbayong Mexico. And now, tingnan muna natin itong easy layup for VJ Rojas for Angeles City. And speaking of Angeles City, he's finally here. Nasa floor na din siya. The Heartbreak Kid himself, Kid Estalilla. Medyo na late ng pasok, but nonetheless, the Luid Kapampangan scorer is now with them with a full lineup na. Ito si Coach John Ocampo. So let's see if they can defeat itong almighty Igbayong Mexico in this ball game, as Estalilla finally is on the floor and he's bringing down the ball. Oh, Kid. Pinasa sa ating photographer na si James. James is a part of the floor but not part of the playing court. That'll be a turnover para dito sa Angeles City. Liantos. Cross court to Perez. Perez will attack. Pau. Perez again underneath plus a foul. What a basket right there. Persistence pays off by Cycle Perez. Let's see this once again. There's the layup against Lakindanum. Fearless in that attack. He gets the offensive rebound and there's the foul. And the basket para dito kay Cycle Perez. Perez, bonus free throw is good and lamang na ng 6 na puntos at itong Ingbayong Mexico. Some of the fans here supporting Ingbayong Mexico. Up by 6 points itong number 1 seed. And ito Perez with a steal. Perez on the run. Perez flips it up and in. A 5-0 counter run by Cycle Perez. Personal run. 5-0 personal run by Cycle Perez right now. And they're up by 8. Timbol goes to the corner to Rojas. Back to Edward. Edward attacks, drops it off to Pau. Pau, some up fakes. Couldn't get the layup to go. Here comes Ingbayong Mexico, gives it to Liantos. Back to Cunanan. Cunanan directing traffic. John Del. Look at the passing right here. Galing sa Ingbayong Mexico. We have 9 seconds on the shot clock. Perez. One-handed floater. Nearly got it to go. And ball will remain dito sa side ng Ingbayong Mexico. 14 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa Men in Blue. Nakpil comes back into the ball game. Cunanan from way downtown knocks it down. It's now an 11-point lead para dito sa Ingbayong Mexico. 43-32. Kid. Still scoreless itong si Estalilla. Of course, kakapasok lang po niyan. Neto, he has the basketball. Estalilla, one-handed floater short. Takindanum gets the ball back. Edward, back to Pau. Pau will attack big, steps to the basket, and he'll troop to the line for 2. Foul will be on Paulo Suba. Let's look at this again, this three-pointer, the second three-pointer by John Del Cunanan. Second conversion in from the outside. Pau misses the first free throw. Direk, sorry. May namalo sa legs ko. Sakit. 2 missed free throws para dito kay Lakindanum, but they get an offensive rebound. Baloria goes to the baseline. Sobra nga lang yung jumper para dito kay Sam De Jesus. Sam puts it up and he'll shoot to the line for 2.
Third personal foul,
Sam De Jesus with 2 free throws right here. Sam misses, so that's now 3 consecutive missed free throws para dito sa Angeles City Red Warriors. Finally a made free throw for Angeles City, cuts the lead down to 10, 43-33, 46.3 seconds natitira sa ating second quarter. We have a timeout on the floor. We will be right back. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup, the Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament right here in Pampanga. Itong Ingbayong Mexico, the number 1 seeded team in Bracket A, up by 10 points against the undefeated Angeles City Red Warriors. They have possession of the basketball. Cunanan gives it to Perez. Cycle gives it back to John Del from way downtown, off the mark nga lang that time. He's now 50% from the three-point line. 2 out of 4. Jacob Valoria, binalik na ni Coach John Ocampo in this game. Jacob gives it to Kid. Estalilia. A lot of defenders already surrounded Estalilia that time as a missed three-pointer right there by Edward. Estalilia, the scoop layup. Sayang nga lang. And they're getting a steal, talking about Angeles City. They have the numbers, a 4-on-2. Estalilia on the run. Sobra lang yung layup, but he gets the rebound, pero out of bounds na siya. So Estalilia, 0 for 3. Start off this ball game as the toss-up to Perez. 1 second remaining. Perez nearly got the basket to go, but dyan magtatapos ang ating first half of action. The number 1 seeded Igbayong Mexico sa bracket A. Lamang ng 10 puntos dito. 43-33. Let's check out some of the second quarter highlights. And because of their transition offense, that's why they have been so dominant in this league, in this tournament. And that's why lamang din sila ng 10 puntos dito. Guys like Cycle Perez who went on a 5-0 personal run kanina. Sama mo ba yung mga 3-pointers ni John Del Cunanan. But para dito sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors, VJ Rojas, Jacob Valoria, and of course, huwag natin kakalimutan si Paul Lakindanum trying to fight back in the second quarter. But nonetheless, etong number 1 team, itong Igbayong Mexico, ang magbabaon ng 10 puntos na kalamangan 43-33 dito lang sa 2024 Delta Cup. Direk hindi. Loko-loko to. Kaya pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup as lamang itong Ingbayong Mexico ng 10 puntos, 43-33 at the half kontra dito sa Angeles City Red Warriors. As nakikita natin itong team ng Angeles City Red Warriors now finally complete na ang kanilang lineup. Can we see another explosion from the Heartbreak Kid himself as we can see some of the halftime highlights right here, and the theme of this game is really a running ball game. A lot of transition points, a lot of transition baskets para dito sa parehong koponan. But it is itong Ingbayong Mexico who are knocking down their three-pointers in that first half. Let's see how will they counter, talking about itong Angeles City Red Warriors in this second half. Can they come back into this ball game? Just a 10-point lead dito para sa top-seeded Ingbayong Mexico against the undefeated Angeles City Red Warriors. Henson goes to the corner. Team ball three-pointer. In and out nga lang para dito sa Angeles City. Llantos on the counter. Pascual turns it over. As siyempre, habang naglalaro itong parehong koponan na to, gusto ko lang sanang batiin. Happy birthday, Kuya Totoy Obrero, ang ating TD dyan sa likod. Ang napakasipag na si Kuya Totoy. Kuya Toy, paano tayo mag-celebrate mamaya? As Kid Estalilia with a beautiful layup right there. Of course, napakasipag na Kuya Totoy. Happy birthday. Hindi alam ni Direk Billy na birthday mo. Hindi siya naniniwala. Santos. 11 seconds to shoot for the men in blue. Llantos back to Santos. Santos attacks the lob, and Perez with a finish. Cycle Perez with another basket right here. 10 pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Ingbayong Mexico. Oh, long three-pointer right there. Jensen Henson. Can that wake up itong Angeles City? Of course, let's not forget, this team is still undefeated dito sa ating tournament. Perez. Attack stolen away by Henson. Gives it to Edward. Timbol, one man to beat. Timbol puts it up. Well, took to the line to shoot 2 free throws after being fouled on that fast break play. Let's watch this long-range three-pointer right there from Jensen Henson. Right here with these 2 free throws ni Edward Timbol, they can cut the lead down to as much as 5. They hit both free throws right here. Henson knocks down the first one, also the second one, so it's just down to a 5-point lead para dito sa Ingbayong Mexico. Llantos goes over to Perez. Back to Santos. Swing the ball around. 13 seconds to shoot. Santos takes a 3. Air ball nga lang. Another chance para dito sa panig ng Red Warriors to cut the lead further down, as we can see Coach J.R. Gomez of Ingbayong Mexico with a look of concern. Estalilia. Pass was tipped. Nakpil on the run. Gerald. Wild shot, but Perez is there to clean up the mess. Back to a 7-point lead for Ingbayong Mexico. Henson from way downtown, off the mark. De Jesus with a rebound. Kid from the outside, off the mark pa rin. They go to Sam, but Gerald is there to break that pass up. Ball remains dito sa panig ng Angeles City. Baseline inbound for the men in white. Oh, look at that pass. Papunta dito kay Sam De Jesus. And De Jesus with the basket. Oh, another basket para dito kay Sikel Perez. Beautiful pass galing dito kay Llantos. Estalilia tried to go to Lagman, but that ends up as a turnover para dito sa Angeles City. Si Coach Janjan Ocampo telling itong si Kid Estalilia to take that shot na because he was open as Paula Quindanum comes in for Lagman. Perez gives it to Santos. From Saparigi, they go back to Sikel Perez. Three-pointer niya, no good. But look at Llantos with that rebound. Santos gives it to Redden, and Redden was fouled by Timbol. That'll be Angeles City's first team foul of the third quarter. Timbol's first personal foul din. Santos gives it to Perez. Silang dalawa lang nagpasahan dito. Perez, the floater, no good. And last touch doon. Etong si Pascual. So ball will go back. Panig ng Angeles City, 42-39. Ating score. Henson, bring the ball down. Gives it to Kidd. What will they do on offense? Nakindanum. Stolen away by Santos, but good defense right there from Angeles City in transition. Estalilia gives it to De La Cruz, and the alley-oop play wasn't able to finish, but still, 2 free throws para dito kay Sam De La Cruz. Great pass by Kid Estalilia. Homer Pascual with the foul. 5 minutes and 56 natitira. 2 free throws para dito kay Sam De Jesus. He knocks down the first one. Oh, 1 out of 2 from the free throw line. Ito si De Jesus. Vallescas gives it to Santos. Aaron directing traffic. Hingi na string kay Vallescas. Aaron drops it down low to Pascual. Left it short, but andun for the offensive rebound. Itong si Perez. Perez, ang dami ng puntos dito through 3 quarters. Oh! Timbol with a beautiful spin. Oh, what a block right there! Good denial by Pascual as they lob it up. Vallescas, no-go yung layup. Lakindanum on a 2-on-3, and he says, we don't have numbers as there's someone down para dito sa Angeles City. That's Edward Timbol. Looks like he got hit in the face. Good thing there's no blood or scratch on his face. He will just walk it off dito. He will be substituted. Babalik sa laro itong si De Guzman.
19 seconds shot.
19 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa Angeles City. Henson goes to Lakindanum. Pau goes underneath to Sam. Naagaw yan dito ni Vallescas. And Cunana's back on the floor for Igbayong Mexico, who hit 2 3-pointers in that first half. Look at that, a steal here by Perez. Sikel puts it up and in. Another basket para dito kay Perez. Estalilia, they're down by 10. Talking about the Angeles City Red Warriors. Kidd goes to Henson. No good pa rin, and a big rebound by Vallescas. Cunanan looking for Llantos. Cunanan goes to Llantos. Up fake. Emergency pass to the corner. A good defense. And that's a traveling violation whistle dito on Alorin Rivadula. Babalik on the floor para dito sa Angeles City itong si Jacob Valoria. Kid. 17 seconds under shot clock. Not a lot of player movement para dito sa Angeles City in this possession. Valoria kicks it. De Guzman from the corner. JL drops the three-pointer. Big hit para dito sa Angeles City. They need a stop. Cunanan against Valoria. John Del goes to Perez. Perez, the layup blocked by Blaquindanum. And Pau is fouled, I believe, by Rivadulla.
On foul on number 28.
It is going to be on Rivadulla.
First personal, 13 foul, Mexico.
13 foul on Mexico. Mexico, Igbayong Mexico. De Guzman gives it dito. Blaquindanum to Kid Estalilla, and there's the connection. The two stars of Angeles City as a steal here by Valoria. Jacob, the layup, and the lead is now cut down to 3 points, and that forces Coach J.R. Gomez to call an immediate timeout. Nabura na ang kanilang double-digit lead dito. It's now down to a single-digit ball game, a one-possession game after this consecutive baskets. Blaquindanum to Estalilla for the layup, and then Jacob Valoria with his beautiful pickpocket and leading to a layup right here. Nababa nila sa 3 puntos na ng kalamangan, 53-50. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup as we are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. Makikita natin, halos mapuno na itong BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Third game pa lang po tayo. Mamaya meron pa tayong isa pang laro dito sa ating Friday quadruple header. As a good defense right there by De Guzman. Estalilla on the open court. Kid, the spin. Tried to drop it off. Miscommunication. Kid drops it off, but De Jesus was thinking of a lob. Fortunately for them, bola pa rin ng Angeles City. Valoria against Liantos. They give it over to De Jesus. Or sorry, that's De Guzman rather. There's a stop. Galing dito sa Igbayong Mexico. Liantos goes to Perez. Perez. Again, another 2 point. 2 points para dito kay Cycle Perez. Back to a 5-point lead for Igbayong Mexico. Perez looking for back-to-back Best Player of the Game awards dito sa ating tournament. Ito Estalilla going ISO. Kid drops it off to De Jesus. Finally, they connected there on the alley-oop play. Look at the defense right here being pressured. Itong si Vallescas. Cunanan. Nowhere to go. Gives it to Vallescas. Naaagaw ni Blaquindanum and Valoria with the easy layup. Baba sa 1 puntos ang kalamangan ng Igbayong Mexico. Rivadulla is fouled. It's gonna be on Estalilla. Let's see this defense again. Blaquindanum playing safety, and then the toss-up to Valoria right in the bread basket, and then he just, talking about Jacob Valoria, just goes up in the air for the easy layup as Argel Meneses comes back into the ballgame for Mexico. Liantos against Valoria. The two number 24s, eye to eye sila dito. Valoria the spin, Valoria the shot. Block right there by Blaquindanum. Big rebound by Sam De Jesus. Pau with a running start. Lakindanum to the basket. And he was fouled. Great attack there by Pau Lakindanum. Valiescas with the foul. Let's look at this right here. Oh, got him on the tail end of that layup. Lakindanum with these 2 free throws can retake the lead para sa Angeles City. But unfortunately, he misses the free throws. At best, he can just tie the game at 55 with 58 seconds remaining in this quarter. One out of 2. Itong si Lakindanum in tie game tayo at 55. Rivadulla. Alorin waits for his teammates to get back down. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Alorin, the crossover. Oh, what a block there by Lakindanum, and may stare down pa si Pau doon. Coming back in, itong si Lakap replacing Liantos. Let's look at this denial by Lakindanum. That's his 3rd denial of this ball game. Valiescas gives it to Lakap. Back to Cunanan. John Del gives it to Argel. And there's a foul. It's going to be on JL De Guzman. That'll be the 3rd team foul para dito sa Angeles City.
JL De Guzman, 2nd personal, 3rd team foul, Angeles.
Sideline inbound for the men in blue. They kick it to Cunanan. Cunanan, 3-pointer off the mark. And ito, tumatakbo na ang Angeles City. Estalilla on the run, lobs it to De Jesus. Angeles City trying to go for some highlights right here. What a pass right there by Estalilla. Let's look at that beautiful pass to De Jesus. And there's the foul. Sam got hit in the face. And si Pau Lakindanum wanted to follow up dunk that one. As De Jesus gives Angeles City back the lead. 56 to 55. And he has one more free throw right here. What a turnaround in this quarter para dito sa Angeles City Warriors. Sam's 2nd free throw. 2 for 2 for De Jesus. Final 15 seconds of this 3rd period. What a turnaround para sa Angeles City, who were down by 10 to start this quarter. Now they're up by 2. Lock up to Argel. Mendoza overshoots. Lakindanum turns it over. At dyan magtatapos ang ating 3rd quarter action. Angeles City, after being down by 10 points to start this quarter, they are now up by 2. A 12-point turnaround para dito sa Angeles City Red Warriors. As let's see some of these 3rd quarter highlights. The Heartbreak Kid finally woke up in this quarter. Pero Cycle Perez kanina had another burst of scoring, but nung pumasok ito si JL De Guzman after he knocked down the 3, nagkaroon ng big scoring run itong Angeles City Red Warriors with some great defense right there from Pau Lakindanum. Steals and blocks for the Colegio de San Juan de Letran Knight, Pau Lakindanum. And that's why lamang na ng 2 puntos dito ang Angeles City Red Warriors. 57 to 55 entering the 4th and final quarter of the 2024 Delta Cup. Back here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. As itong number 1 and number 2 teams. As we can see on your screen, ang ating face of the game. Congratulations po. Ito namili niyan. Ito namili niyan. Ayaw mo maniwala. Ayaw kong sumagot eh. Denial ka pa. Denial pa si Derek Billy. But etong Angeles City Red Warriors now up by 2 after being down by 10 points kanina. Good basket right there para dito sa Igba yung Mexico at lamang na sila dito. Or, sorry, they tied the game now at 57. Corner three-pointer. Kid gets fouled.
Backing foul number 7, Argel Meneses. Second personal, first team foul, Mexico. 3 free throws.
3 free throws para dito kay Kid Estalilla. Well, speaking of Kid Estalilla, a player from Luidwan, Kapampangan. Shout out Coach Jonathan Benedict Buan watching right now. Coach Jonathan, pinag-usapan natin sa March. I got you. This Kid, his second free throw. Two out of 3 for Kid. Two-point lead here. Rivadulla turns it over. Here comes De Guzman, gives it to Baloria. Naku, open look. No good for Naku. Good box out there by Lakap. On a 2-on-1, Meneses tried to give it to Nakpil and they turn it over again. So another chance for Angeles City to add on to this lead. De Guzman, three-pointer. Goes out of bounds. He had an open look and Coach John Ocampo telling him na okay lang daw yung tira na yun because he was really wide open from that. Coach John Ocampo motivating his players that time. Lakap. Lakap wants a screen from Nakpil. Oh, good pass underneath Argel. Extra pass to Gerald. And he'll troop to the line for 2. Foul will be called. Is it on Naku or Lakindanum? It's on Jo Marinaco nga. First personal foul for Jo Marinaco. So 2 free throws para dito kay Gerald Nakpil. Nakpil knocks down the first free throw. Second free throw for Nakpil is good then. Ties the game at 59. 8 minutes and 32 remaining sa ating laro. Battle between the top 2 seeds of Bracket A, the undefeated Angeles City Red Warriors versus the 5-1 Igbayong Mexico. Naku, give and go to De Guzman. No good. De Guzman gets it back. JL overshoots pa rin. Fighting for the loose ball. Lakindanum gets it. Oh. Uh-oh. Cunanan and Lakindanum exchanged bombs right there. Cooler heads prevail as Lakindanum just walks away. Let's look at this right here. There's the bump by Perez. Not Cunanan pala, it's Perez. Lakindanum just stares at him and then Perez gives him another bump. So our referees are gonna give them a replay dito sa IRS. Replay ng mga referees natin sa IRS dito. What happened? How did that play develop? From what we saw sa replay na yun, Perez appeared to bump itong si Lakindanum twice. As our referee, our head of the referees, itong si Dennis Escaros, will go to the table of officials para i-discuss ano ba yung hatol nila dun sa call na yun. Let's wait for the official announcement of our arena announcer, Ryan Pajaro.
Foul on number 2, Gerald Nakpil. This is third personal. Technical foul on number 10, Sequiel Perez of Mexico for second motion.
So there you go.
Second personal foul, Sequiel Perez.
Foul was on Gerald
13
Nakpil.
foul, Mexico.
And then the technical foul is whistled on Sequiel Perez for second motion as the technical free throw is missed right there para dito kay Naku.
14-second shot.
14 seconds on the shot clock for Angeles City. Baloria gives it to Lakindanum. Pau. Face-up jumper is good. High arcing face-up jumper there. Balik sa dalawang kalamangan dito ng Angeles City. Liantos gives it to Meneses. Back to Lakap. 8 seconds on the shot clock for Igbayong Mexico. Reden. Spin move. Emergency pass. Lakap. They have to fire. Perez doesn't get a floater to go. Oh, nauna na si Naku. Two fakes. Short yung tira niya. At naagaw pa dun ni Perez. Reden says, let's slow the pace down a little bit. 7 minutes and 18 natitira sa ating laro. Perez goes ISO. And he gets fouled by Naku right there.
Ating foul on number 1,
Joe Marinaco napituhan. There's the foul. Hit him across the body. Sam De Jesus comes back in for Angeles City. As well as itong si Baliescas for Igbayong Mexico. Uupo muna. Argel. Meneses. And Joe Marinaco. Liantos against Baloria. Liantos stops. Kicks to Nakpil. And he hits the side of the backboard right there. Itong Igbayong Mexico slowly starting to get cold from the three-point land. Here comes Angeles City Red Warriors. Baloria kicks it to De Jesus, back to Jacob. Baloria gives it to Kid. Estalilia drops it off to De Jesus. De Jesus fadeaway jumper, no good. 4 seconds to shoot. Jacob puts it up, no good pa rin. Oh, good tap by Estalilia, but Nakpil gets it back. And there's a foul on Lakindanum.
foul on number 3.
Pau Lakindanum gets the foul. Third personal foul for Pau. It's also the third team foul para dito sa panig ng Angeles City. Liantos attacks. Liantos. Ayaw pa rin. Lakindanum with another board. Estalilia on the run. Kid is fouled. Let's look at this again. The attack right here by Estalilia. And the foul is on Barry Lakap. First free throw for Kid is good. Can he knock down the second free throw? Yes, he does. So it's a 4-point lead para dito sa Angeles City, 63-59. Liantos to Baliescas. They give it to Lakap. Barry goes to cycle. Perez underneath, spins away. No good, and another huge rebound for Lakindanum, but there was a foul. Is it gonna be on Baloria? It is.
Pushing foul on number 24, Jacob Baloria.
5 minutes and 53 natitira sa ating laro for this battle for the top seed.
14-second shot clock.
Igbayong Mexico down by 4, and they have the number 1 seeds of bracket A. Perez. Floater. No good pa rin, and another tap away right there. And ball will go sa panig ng Angeles City. Or no, referee corrected his call. Bola daw ng Mexico. That's a kickball violation whistle dito kay Sam De Jesus. Liantos goes to Santos. Perez. Hot shot. Oh! A near slam there for Nakpil, but there was a foul. An offensive foul on Cycle Perez. That's his third personal foul. So things aren't going well for Igbayong Mexico in this fourth quarter, but nonetheless, they're still down by 4. This lead is very, very manageable to come back to. You see Coach J.R. Gomez right there. Kid, three-pointer. Off the mark. Here comes Santos. Up against Estalilia. Santos, the Euro, the drop-off. Oh, good defense right there by De Jesus. Ito, tumatakbo na ang Angeles City. Estalilia. Gives it. De Guzman jumper. Wala. De Jesus offensive rebound. Sam. Couple of up fakes, pero masyado siyang malalim. And there's a foul right there on JL De Guzman. Dahil penalty na parehong kupunan dito. This will mean 2 free throws. 2 free throws right now for Igbayong Mexico. I believe it's Baliescas who's gonna shoot. JL De Guzman gets whistled for his third personal foul. Luis misses on the first free throw. Let's see if he can make the second and make this a one-possession game. Baliesca's second free throw short, and a rebound by Sam De La Cruz and Sam De Jesus. Estalilia gives it to Valoria. De Jesus kicks it back to Kid. 7 seconds on the clock. They go down low. Oh, Valoria with a beautiful reverse. Great dime galing dito kay Kid Estalilia. Santos. He'll spin. Near turnover. As Santos puts it up and in. Great move right there. Galing dito kay Aaron Santos. De Guzman gives it to De Jesus. Back to Estalilia. They go to Lakindanum. Pau spins. And that's a clear traveling violation whistle on Pau Lakindanum. Turnover after turnover from both of these squads. Still nonetheless, apat pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Angeles City. 65 to 61. Aaron, three-pointer, no go. Perez tracks it down. Pascual, stolen away by Estalilia. Valoria, up fake. Back to Kid, and they'll wait for some teammates. Kid, up fake. And yung pass niya sails out of bounds. Babalik ang bola dito sa Igbayong Mexico. It's a timeout right here with John Ocampo as they're trying to protect a 4-point lead dito, 61 or 65 to 61 with 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining in this ball game. Siyempre sa mga nakatutok po dyan, we are inviting you to watch the game number 2 of the Sinaglakas 40 semifinals game sa Sunday po sa Malolos Sports and Convention Center. Game number 2 between the Taytay J Project and Tito Rex's Firewire. And for the main event, it's gonna be the number 6 seed Santa Rosa Lion Saints and the home team Malolos Republic. Sa Sunday na po yan ang ating game number 2 of the semifinal round. Makaka-qualify na ba ang Tito Rex and ang Santa Rosa Lion Saints or will Taytay J Project and Malolos Republic still extend to live to fight another game? But eto, let's see as this battle of the top season. Illegal pick whistle dito kay Luis Baliescas. Crucial turnover right there para sa Igbayong Mexico. Let's look at that again after the offensive rebound. Clearly, a slight nudge right there by Baliasanas. Oh, what a three-pointer right there by JL De Guzman. Big hit para dito sa Angeles City. Perez from top of the key. No good. There's a holding foul. Whistled on Paula Quindanum. Let's take a look at his three-pointer right here by JL De Guzman. Most of his three-point makes coming from that side of the court. It's Pascual with two free throws dito, two crucial free throws should I say. Knocking down the first one is Pascual. Let's see if he can make the second one. Yes, he does. 2 out of 2. Five-point lead para dito sa mga nakaputi. Estalilla, the crossover, the spin, the shot. Sobra nga lang for Kid, but De Guzman, another offensive board. Pau, left wide open for 3. Backirds that one and a big rebound for Baliescas. Tumatakbo itong Igbayong Mexico. Liantos misses the layup. Pascual blocked by Laquindanum. And here comes De Jesus on the run. De Jesus with the easy layup. Balik sa pito ang kalamangan ng Angeles City Red Warriors, and they are 2 minutes and 15 seconds away from their 5th consecutive victory. Let's look at a denial right there by Laquindanum and the easy layup by Sam De Jesus right there, putting him back up by 7 points, 70-63. Timeout on the floor. We will be right back. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup as Paula Quindanum, a known defensive stopper, one of the best shot blockers, young shot blockers dito sa Pampanga. Denying that shot, I believe 4 blocks na itong si Laquindanum. We're approaching the last 2 minutes of this ball game. Oh, kickball violation whistled here. Good catch. Perez. Last 2 minutes tayo dito. Kapit lang po mga kabalen as a turnover para sa Igbayong Mexico. Full court inbound para dito sa Angeles City. Estalilla to toss. Gives it to De Guzman, back to Kid. Do we have another heartbreak Kid moment for Estalilla right now? And Kid wants an ISO. Being hounded right here by Perez. Estalilla lobs it to De Jesus. Perfect pass and the perfect finish right there. Coach Jonathan happy with that pass. Coach Jonathan Benedict Buan watching right now. For sure, tuwang-tuwa siya dun sa pasa na yun. Estalilla. There's a foul again on the drive. I believe Valoria ang mapipituhan. Sam De Jesus ang napituan. Let's look at this beautiful pass by Estalilla to Sam De Jesus. Pakita pa ng goggles doon si Kid Estalilla. Alam niya sigurong nanonood si Coach Jonathan Buan ngayon. Coach, oh, papakita si Kid para sa'yo. As Perez misses the free throw. Misses para dito kay Perez. Those are crucial free throws for Igbayong Mexico. De Jesus, easy layup. Great time again from Kid Estalilia. Back-to-back Estalilia De Jesus connections for Angeles City. And Pascual will get an easy layup. They caught Angeles City napping that time, but it's still a 9-point lead para dito sa Angeles City Red Warriors, 74-65, a minute and 13 remaining in this ball game. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. Angeles City are a minute and 13 away from their 5th consecutive victory dito to remain unscathed sa ating tournament, as our referee just reminding some of the players it's getting chippy, it's getting intense dito. Dahil nga, crucial possessions na to. We're down to the line, to the wire here sa ating laro. As dito Fernando Brero's there at the corner. Estalilia breaks away. Kid, all the way. Bitin lang again. Lakindanum really want to throw things down right now from the rim. Aaron Santos gets whistled for the foul. Estalilia knocks down the free throw. Trying to close out the game. Kid for a double-figure lead, and they do get it. 11 points ang kanilang kalamangan. Final minute and 7 seconds remaining. Santos, he'll attack, reverse layup, overshoots. Pasabit ang ginawa doon ni Pascual. I believe that will be the final foul of Pau Lakindanum in this ballgame. He now fouls out of the game. Lalabas si Lakindanum, papasok Paul Lagman, who started this ballgame. Crucial free throws right here for Igbayong Mexico as Pascual knocks down the first. Nomer Pascual really had his hands full in this ball game dahil nga he had to deal with Lagman and Lakindanum both at the center spot. 1 out of 2 from the free throw line itong si Nomer Pascual. Coach John Ocampo asking for a replay review dito. Sinasabi nila dapat daw bola nila. Our referees will look at the IRS right now as we can see si Perez trying to will his team back into this ball game. Our referees are waiting for the IRS. A minute or less than a minute remaining in this ball game. 56.6 seconds natitira. Tingnan natin dito. And you hear that reaction galing dito sa side ng Angeles City. Possession goes dito sa panig ng Angeles. A basket here for Angeles City would be the dagger. Lagman in dangerous territory. And a steal here by Pascual. Counter steal by De Guzman. They give it to Valoria. They'll waste away some precious seconds dito. Jacob gives it to De Guzman. JL gives it to Lagman. Paul at the post. Lagman, masyadong malalim. Santos tracks the ball down. Quick three-pointer. Knocks it down. Di pa tapos. Etong igba yung Mexico. Until the buzzer sounds, hindi pa sila tapos dito humabol. Let's look at this three-pointer by Aaron Santos. Just gathers himself. He nearly was out of bounds there, but buti na nakatiptoe siya, knocking down that transition triple. Right there, cutting the lead down to 7 points. Let's see. How will this game finish? As expected, this ball game is going to be a nail-biter. Well, it's a battle of the undefeated Angeles City Red Warriors and etong igba yung Mexico who have been very, very dominant up until this point of the game. Igba yung Mexico have blown out most of their opponents, but itong Angeles City showcasing that they are undefeated, unscathed for a reason. 76-69 with 21.3 seconds remaining. Angeles City opting to go for a full or a sideline inbound right here. So with the 21.3 seconds remaining, may 14-second shot clock pa sila. It's a 7-second difference shot clock, game clock. Estalilla to inbound. They kick it over dito kay Henson. Back to Valoria, back to Henson. They're wasting away a lot of time here, and finally a foul here for Igbayong Mexico. They shaved away 6 seconds on the clock. So 2 crucial free throws para dito kay Jensen Henson to seal the game off. Henson misses the first one. You can see Coach John Ocampo, great adjustments in this ball game. Down by 10 in the first half. Coming into the second half, and pagkatapos ng third quarter, they were up by 2, and now they're up by 8 points with 15.5 seconds. One stop, and Angeles City survives this ball game. Santos goes to Perez. Perez three-pointer, no good. De Jesus taps it, and that'll do it. Angeles City remains undefeated in this tournament. An 8-point victory para sa kanila. 77-69. They hand itong Igbayong Mexico their second loss of the tournament, and unofficially, Angeles City will be the #1 team sa bracket A with this victory as they remain unscathed sa ating tournament. What a ball game para dito sa Angeles City Red Warriors. Nail-biter, a close game. And lahat umambag. The defense of Paula Quindanumen rebounding. Pagpasok and play creation ni Estalilla. Andiyan si Jacob Valoria. And of course, the other teams, the other players din, nag-ambag dito for their victory. 5 straight victories na para dito sa Angeles City Red Warriors. And they are now the top-seeded team sa bracket A ng ating Delta Cup 2024. And ngayon, kasama ko na ang ating best player of the game from the Angeles City Red Warriors. Walang iba kundi si Sam De Jesus. Sam, congratulations. Talk us through the halftime. Down kayo by 10 points. Anong sinabi ni Coach John sa inyo dun sa huddle nyo? At parang ginanahan din ba kayo nung nakita nyo humabol si Pao at si Kid Estalilla sa inyo?
Yun nga po, sabi niya po, kailangan po natin ng doble kasi malakas yung kalaban natin, doble effort. Kasi po umabol lang din po kami, na-late po kami. Kasi yun, sabi niya, bigay natin to. Hindi ako kinakabahan sa lamang nila, mas ano ako sa inyo. Tiwala.
And pinakita nyo naman talaga, binalik nyo yung tiwala ni Coach John sa inyo. Pero Sam, ito, undefeated kayo, 5-0. #1 seed na kayo sa bracket A. Ano po ba mga bagay ang pwede nyong i-improve sa team para magtuloy-tuloy itong pagpapanalo nyo at hindi na kayo matalo din sa elimination round?
Ayun, doble effort lang sa training. Sinasabi naman ng coaches namin na sipag, tiyaga, gano'n. Lalo na po ngayon nangunguna po kami ngayon, Angeles, para rin po sa mayor namin.
Okay. Speaking of your mayor, pwede mo na silang i-shoutout at batiin ang mga pamilya mo at mga sumusuporta galing Angeles City, Sam.
Binabati po lang yung mayor namin, sila sa team. Yan yung family ko po, De Jesus, sa Pulong Maragul, sa mga Don Bonifacio. Yun lang po. And girlfriend ko nga po pala, si Dayan.
Huwag mo kakalimutan yun. Sure ako dyan. Pero congratulations once again, Sam De Jesus, ang best player of the game natin dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. Sam, go ahead and enjoy this day kasama mga teammates mo dahil 5-0 na kayo. Number 1 seed na kayo. But syempre, mga kabalin, hindi po nagtatapos dyan ang ating mga laro dito kasi coming up next is the main event game between Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo kontra Santa Ana Unite. Susunod na po yan dito sa ating Delta Cup at dyan magtatapos ang ating laban dito. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Danan, Direk Billy Ray De Leon, Direk Carlo Orpos, Olpos and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. This has been your 2024 Delta Cup.